Good morning. You guys are going to help me prepare for my niece Shari's birthday party today. And in preparation for having a good time this evening, I was channeling like summery vibes. Like I put my hair back, like did like a really fresh kind of dewy makeup. And this is the power of a good mindset. I think that I thought it was now summer. I really think that. Like I put on my cozy sweater, the fireplace is on, it's nice and warm. I think that I thought it was summer because when I looked out the window and I saw that it was snowing, I felt deceived. It's starting to flurry out there, you can't tell. I genuinely felt like I deceived myself. How did this happen? I deceived myself hard, and you wanna know what the kicker was? It was the glowy SPF, not my everyday, it's winter SPF. I used my summertime glowy, beautiful SPF. I blame the SPF. First stop today was Sam's Club because they've got the best rotisserie chicken. It's cheap, it's huge. And yes, that person just heard me vlogging and I feel uncomfy. Woo! I am not the only one that is out here wishing it was summer. You know, I don't blame all these aggressive drivers in the parking lot. No, I'm the one out here walking in the snow. You just drive by in your warm car, almost hit me while I'm trying to put the shopping cart away. It's fine. I blame the winter blues. As soon as I got to the second grocery store, the school called me, and that's all I feel like I need to say on that. So, you know, that's always exciting. Why? Just why? You know? First it's still winter, then the school calls me. This day couldn't get any worse. Just kidding. Kidding, girl. I shredded the chicken for the soup tonight, and even though I made broth the other day, which Joel was like, Bonnie, you need to strain it with a cheesecloth. Don't be frightened by the look of it. We have to taste it first. And when I open these, because they're all sealed, I will strain them with a cheesecloth or a towel or something. Anyway, I don't know if these are going to be good, so I'm not going to chance feeding a whole group of people and getting the whole group sick. I'll try it on my own. I've never tried a crock pot though, or a pressure cooker. So I'm going to try and get, you know, a pot full of chicken broth for my soup tonight. Look at that gorgeous pot. Look at that gorgeous pot. I let this thing cook on high for 65 minutes. And I emptied everything else I'm gonna need for my soup in this huge pot. I don't wanna make my guacamole yet. Just need to strain my chicken. And I think it did a fabulous job. I mean, the way I was being over dramatic with this pot. Okay, I transferred everything over to, you know, like a regular sized family pot. Because when I had everything deep down in the bottom of this pot, there was like this much. I couldn't even reach my arm down there. I was like, okay, well, this looks like it's gonna feed a family of 2 in the, you know, the way it looks. So I'm like, people are gonna be like, oh, I can't have any. I wanna save some for everybody else. No, Bon, you don't need that gargantuous pot. I don't even know what that's for. No wonder it was down in the basement. I just saw it and was like, ooh, shiny, beautiful. So anyway, I've got a full pot of soup right here. She smells delicious. She is full of great grand things. You know, here we are. And do you want to know what is really silly? I was looking in our cookbook, and in this recipe, it says to add all the beans. It never says to add any like liquid. So normally when I make this, I just add water and season it really good. It doesn't even say to add water. So, I am not sure how that... I haven't found something like this as I like look at the cookbook and go through it. And this was my recipe. This was my recipe that I put in there. I mean, it's like cans of soup, but I was kind of in charge of this recipe. Nay. Yeah.
I'm counting people.
I know, I was waiting for you to be done.
You can figure it out.
You can use that one.
Okay.
You just make me another one.
I will.
Oh, was that supposed to be for you? Okay.
There's an S in it.
Oh, that's cute. I know, Julie's bread is kind of a coveted thing. It's like, this is kind of you know, I guess worthy enough for a birthday present. I'm glad you guys have candles because I definitely did not have any.
Yeah, those pencils, they look just like pencils. Yeah. Are you sure you didn't buy a pencil? I'm 5 years old.
At what age do I not have candles for every year?
Oh, I want candles
never.
every year.
Never. You'll always have them.
I don't want
Is
Is this working?
You got a gas?
Give me a gasless lighter.
Yeah, there you go.
There we
She's 6
go.
years old. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Happy birthday, dear Shari. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Ready?
If you don't stick it right underwear.
Lucy, how?
Good job.
Julie, is it a sourdough cake?
There is sourdough in it.
Nice.
That is.
You got a crowd watching you, so you
know.
hope it's good.
Can Sherry's piece be that one?
My dad said it's fine if you can come to my house, and if Julie said it would be okay. If my mom said yes, so you have a chance of coming over. Yeah. Yeah.
Is it really a get together unless someone schemes a sleepover?
It's like a tradition. It has to be.
You want another drink? Here, Bossy, you hold the camera. Turn it around so you can see. Put it down. Make sure it's in focus.
I'm a cameraman.
Okay, you want a drink?
Here. Mom, I wish you could have another baby.
I wish I could just have Millie.
I know.
What are you pointing at? I think she's pointing at cake.
I wish Millie could just stay the same age because babies are so cute.
You can have another drink. No, no more cake. Do you want a drink?
Hi.
That good?
I don't know what else you want. You want the blue one?
I'm trying to make her laugh.
Popcorn. Okay, here's what I want to know. How did you convince me to let you stay the night?
I did. Mom, I did.
All right, well, here's the thing.
I love you, Mom.
Blend in and be quiet so you don't get in trouble.
If I don't know you're here, it doesn't matter.
I'm as if I just threw water at the camera. Gee, man.
Yes, you'd be in big trouble.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Probably until I ran away after that.
Don't ever come back.
What are you doing?
All right.
You guys can watch one movie and then you have to go to bed.
Where's Olivia? Where's Olivia?
Let's watch Endgame, a 3-hour movie. Yeah.
Now, first, everyone's eaten, everyone's had birthday cake. Go brush your teeth. Oh, Lincoln. Everyone go brush their teeth and then you can watch one movie. Go.
Okay.
Go. And if you're noisy, and then you're gonna go to bed.
I saw it and it looks great under.
Perfect.
And I saw it and it was like red. So you know how
Don't touch the banister. Don't touch the
it was
banister.
kind of like this red, but just on one little spot.
Perfect. Brush your teeth.
A girl, she cut her skin off.
Honey, go. Did you already get changed?
I just got undressed.
I was gonna have you say goodnight.
Oh, good night. And not closed.
Good night, Kevin.
Good night, Kevin. You seen a sippy cup around here?
Is it a blue one? Probably got put in the sink.
Yeah. Alright.
No? I know she was back here.
Got it.
I can tell she's been here.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Thank you.
We had a successful 20th birthday party with Shari. Her grandparents came, which was really fun because we have been friends with them for a very long time. I really wanted to film more. However, I just wanted Shari to know that I was more focused on her than I was filming. And so we really just wanted to be present and in the moment. I did get little clips here and there, which was really fun, but just enough to give you a little snippet of our party. But I definitely felt grateful to have everyone over. It was a really nice Friday evening. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog even half as much as I did. I think you could at least get a little sense of the feeling of the house tonight. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.